Hey everybody, more fun facts about the accounts of the Nativity. Did you know Luke's account in Luke 1 and 2 is thought by many scholars to have been a later addition to the Gospel of Luke? And they have a few reasons for thinking this. One, the Greek of Luke 1 and 2 differs from the Greek of the rest of the Gospel of Luke. The rest of the Gospel of Luke also refers back to events at the beginning of Jesus' ministry, but never refers to the unique miraculous events of Luke 1 and 2. It's like it doesn't know about it. Luke 3 is where we would expect this Gospel to begin, with this broad establishing shot. Here's the time, here's the place, and then we move into John the Baptist introducing Jesus, baptizing Jesus. This is much closer to how Mark, one of Luke's main sources, began their Gospel. But then we move into Jesus' genealogy, which makes sense if Luke 3 is the beginning of the gospel, but not if we've already had 2 chapters of great detail about the circumstances surrounding Jesus' conception and birth. To then go, and here's his adulthood, here's his baptism, oh, by the way, here's his genealogy. That doesn't really fit the pattern. And so for this and other reasons, many scholars think that these 2 chapters were added later, and in part to move back the divinity of Jesus from a more adoptionist Christology, where it is achieved at his baptism, as in Mark, to a Christology similar to Matthew's, where it is something declared at his conception and birth. And then John is going to move it back further and say, no, it predates creation.